Jam. My hands were sweating and I forgot my own name. That's how I met Marco's sister last weekend.
Wait, you forgot your own name?
Okay, not really. But I said nice to meet you and then nothing. My brain went empty.
Oh no. How long was the silence?
Maybe 4 seconds. It felt like 4 hours. She just smiled and looked at the floor.
That happens to so many people, especially in English.
So today I want to talk about this. When someone introduces you to a new person, what do you actually say?
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English on Toast. I'm Jam.
And I'm Toast. And today we're learning slow English for meeting new people.
By the end of this episode, Toast will tell you the one phrase that would have saved him in that moment with Marco's sister.
I promise. And Jam, did you ever see her again? You said you'd tell me.
I did see her again, yesterday actually, but I'll tell you at the end.
She's doing this to me on purpose.
While you listen, hold one question in your mind. What is the first thing you usually say when someone introduces you to a new person? We'll ask you at the end.
And if this kind of slow conversation helps you, please like the video and subscribe. It really helps us.
Okay, so Toast, nice to meet you. What's wrong with it?
Nothing. It's polite.
It is polite, but it's like a closed door. The conversation stops there.
Oh, so I need to open the door.
Exactly. You need one more sentence after nice to meet you. Just one.
One sentence. That sounds easy.
It is easy, but most people don't do it. That's why you're already winning.
Okay. Give me an example.
Nice to meet you. Marco talks about you a lot. That's it.
That's so simple.
Simple is the secret. Remember the cold open? Toast froze for 4 seconds. One small sentence would have filled that silence.
So I should say, nice to meet you. Marco talks about you. He says you're very tall.
Toast, no. Don't comment on her height.
Why not? She is tall.
Because the goal is to make her feel comfortable, not measured.
Okay. So warm, not weird.
Warm, not weird. Actually, let's use that. I have a small framework for you. It's called the warm hello.
Ooh, a framework. I love a framework.
W-A-R-M. 4 steps.
Hit me.
W is for welcome. You smile and say their name back. Hi, Sarah.
Saying the name. Why?
Because people love hearing their own name, and it helps you remember it.
Oh, that's smart. I always forget names.
A is for ask one small question, not a big one, a small one.
Like what?
How do you know Marco? Or have you been here long? Small.
Okay. W, A. What's R?
R is for relate. Find one tiny thing you share. Oh, you also live near the park? I walk there every Saturday.
Wait, I walk to the same cafe every Saturday. I could use that.
Perfect. That's a real anchor. People remember real details.
And M?
M is for mention something kind, a small compliment, but not about looks, about energy or what they said.
Like, I love how you said that?
Yes, or that's such a kind thing to do, something true.
Welcome, ask, relate, mention. Warm.
Okay, but here's the part that surprised me when I first learned this.
Tell me.
Most people skip A. They forget to ask. They just talk about themselves.
Oh, I do that.
Most of us do. It's nerves. We fill the silence with our own words.
So if I ask one question, I'm already different from most people?
Yes, and the other person feels seen. That's the magic.
Let's try the phrase together. Repeat after us. How do you know each other?
How do you know each other? Did you catch the way the voice goes up at the end? Try it again.
How do you know each other?
Exactly. Okay, next. What should you not ask?
Their age?
Yes, never age. And in many cultures, never, what do you do, too fast.
Wait, really? In my country, we ask that immediately.
In English-speaking cultures, it can feel like you're measuring them, like you're checking their value.
Oh, that's actually a great cultural tip. I had no idea.
What's keeping you busy these days? It's open. They can answer with work, a hobby, anything.
What's keeping you busy these days? That's a nice phrase.
Let me tell you something a little embarrassing.
Oh, I'm ready.
You know I get nervous on phone calls in English, even now.
I remember. You said your hands get cold.
Last month, someone called me, a new person, a friend of Mrs. Chen, my neighbor. She said her name and I forgot it in 1 second. 1 second.
Oh no! What did you do?
I panicked. I called her you for the whole call. Just you.
Jam, that's terrible.
It is terrible, and it taught me the W in warm. Say their name back, immediately, even if you feel silly.
So even the teacher forgets sometimes.
Especially the teacher. That night, I wrote 1 sentence in my little notebook. Say the name back.
That's such a small lesson, but it's everything.
Okay, quick review. What was the framework?
Warm, welcome with their name. Ask one small question. Relate with one shared detail. Mention something kind.
And what do we not ask too fast?
What do you do? Try what's keeping you busy these days instead.
Beautiful. Okay, Toast, your promise. The one phrase that would have saved you with Marco's sister.
Right. The phrase is, how do you two know each other? It works every time. The other person talks and you breathe.
And it gives you a free 3 seconds to remember your own name.
And Jam, you said you saw the woman from your phone call again, yesterday.
I did, at Mrs. Chen's door. I said, "Hi, it's so nice to finally meet you in person, Lynn." I said her name first. She smiled so big. That was the whole lesson, right there.
So your one mission today. Tell us in 1 sentence in English, what is the first thing you usually say when someone introduces you to a new person? Even 1 sentence in English counts as great practice.
See you next time. Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.